I had a lot of people ask me what these taste like, so we're going to do a little taste test today. I'm going to grab one off of this plant, and I'm going to grab one off the jalapeno over here. If I can find, yeah, there's a couple of decent sized ones, but we'll just taste them and see what they taste like. Okay, before we get started, I have to let you know that I'm not a hot pepper person, so if I start choking and crying like a little baby, I might have to cut away. But I'm going to start with the jalapeno. Well, I'm going to cut them in half first so we can kind of get an idea of what the walls look like. Very similar. Get up there a little closer. About the same wall thickness. Now I'm going to cut a little piece off the jalapeno just to remind myself. Well, I'm not sure how I'm going to edit that. Phone calls usually happen at the wrong time, but anyway, what I did was I cut a little piece from the jalapeno and a little piece from the Black Hungarian. I'm going to try the jalapeno first. I've got a piece of bread here to eat between them, just to remind myself what a jalapeno tastes like. This is about as hot as I usually go. Okay, with no seeds at all, that was really, really mild. Now, I don't even think I need a piece of bread. I'm going to try the Black Hungarian. That's not too bad. Not hot really. Of course, with the seeds, it's going to make a big difference. It does have a little bit of heat that's kind of sneaking up on me, but not really that bad at all. Of these two, if I could have them all just alike, I'd pick the Black Hungarian to make poppers out of. It's a little spicier. The jalapeno, I'm not sure what's going on with it, but it was really mild. So that's good to know. But I have read some reviews online, and some people say that the Black Hungarians, that they kind of vary wildly. Some of them are mild, kind of like this one wasn't that hot to me. But then some of them, they set your face on fire. So keep that in mind if you decide to grow them. But I like it. It's got good. I'm going to take another bite. But it's a slightly different flavor than the jalapeno, but I like it. Now I've heard they get hotter when they're red. I never tried a red one yet, but I may do that later and see what kind of difference there is there. But for all those folks that wanted to know what they taste like, I'm terrible at describing taste, but as far as heat, it's probably, I'm guessing, between these two, it was probably twice as hot as the jalapeno, but not all that hot really. Now I'm going to try a piece with the seeds in it and see how that goes. That's good flavor, and as you would expect, it's quite a bit hotter. That bumps up the heat quite a bit. But it's still not all that bad, considering, like I mentioned, I'm not a hot pepper person, so yeah, that would make some good poppers, I think. But that's the taste test.